Hello and welcome back to another video on how to pick a laptop in 2021. Today we're going to be talking about laptop displays as well as some suggestions on how you can choose the right ones. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on technology news. While you're at it, be sure to visit and like our Facebook page as well, which contains weekly deals on different hardware at cost-effective prices. Now, let us jump right into it. In the previous video, we have covered various types of PC display monitors such as LCD, plasma, LED, and OLED. If you haven't watched the video, I highly recommend that you check it out before proceeding with the rest of this video. Links in the description. Before we go into details of each types of laptop display, we'd like to get a bit technical with you. According to Andrew Aaron's Laptop Display Types article, all laptop monitors are technically an LCD screen. However, this does not mean that it is an LCD screen. What we're trying to say here is that the word LCD can also be used to describe the panel used in the monitor. Therefore, if you hear someone saying that they have an LED or CCFL display as their laptop display, it means that their display is using LEDs or CCFLs as their display light source, while the panel remains an LCD. At the end of the day, that is only technical information, as it is important to know the kind of display used in a laptop, because you can't just go around buying any kind of display and expect it to fit inside your LED display laptop. Let's discuss CCFL and LEDs first. The cold cathode fluorescent lamp display, aka CCFL, is a lighting technology that's used to project an image on an LCD by using fluorescent tubes in the back of the screen, which is thicker than most of the display screen. Whereas for LED display, LED lights are placed at an interval around the screen, which makes the display thinner and lighter. Next, we will cover touchscreen monitor displays, which are available on some laptops. These displays are also known as an input device that allows users to interact with the computer with their fingers instead of a mouse or a keyboard. There are three common types of touchscreen available in the market. These are resistive touchscreens, surface acoustic wave touchscreen, and a capacitive touchscreen. Resistive touchscreen is a touch-sensitive computer display that responds by applying pressure. It is made from two resistive coated transparent sheets that are separated by a small air gap. When contact is made to the touchscreen, these two sheets are pressed together. Each sheet has horizontal and vertical lines that register the precise location of the touch. Surface acoustic wave touchscreens rely on sound waves to detect the touch event. As shown here, sound wave reflectors are placed along the edges of the glass. Two transducers are placed in two of the corners and two receivers are mounted in the opposite corners. This setup allows the sound wave to travel parallel to the edges of the glass. When the sound wave encounters the reflectors, the wave is transmitted from the transducers to the receivers. A touch point will be detected when a drop in the amplitude of the sound wave occurs. This technology is slowly being replaced by other touch technologies because it is less reliable when compared to other available touchscreen technology. The last type of touchscreen, capacitive touchscreen, is the most common touchscreen that are available in most smartphones nowadays. It can also be seen in some laptops and tablet screens, but not many. This type of screen is made up of multiple layers of glass and plastic, coated with a conductor material like indium tin oxide or copper. This conductive material responds when contacted by another electrical conductor like our fingers. When we touch the screen, an electric current will be completed at the point where our finger makes the contact and allows the device to register information as a touch event. This type of screen generally has a brighter, clearer appearance and is much sensitive than other touchscreens. After understanding different types of available laptop monitors, we will now discuss what type of laptop display might suit you best. The most important factor to think about when choosing a laptop is availability of a touchscreen. Touchscreen laptops will make it easier for tasks like presenting slides or graphic designing. However, the quality of these laptop displays are rather limited, meaning you won't be getting the same kind of color accuracy compared to a non-touchscreen display. Therefore, we recommend getting a touchscreen laptop if you're to use it in a business environment, where display quality is least concerned and functionality is prioritized. If you plan to multitask with your laptop, we recommend at least getting a monitor with a 1080p display so that it is easier to view multiple windows. For professional content creators, we recommend that you invest in a 4K monitor so that the smallest flaws in your media don't escape your eyes. For photographers, videographers, and illustrators, the color accuracy and HDR standard of a laptop display needs to be emphasized. If you plan to use a laptop for gaming, it is crucial to think about the refresh rate on the display of any potential laptop. This is because a refresh rate can make the game smoother and snappier, providing a competitive advantage in most online action games. According to Fergus Halliday's suggestion, you want to get something with less than a 5 ms response time or a refresh rate greater than 144 Hz to have a good responsive gameplay experience. And that's it for this video. We hope you've learned more about the functionalities of each laptop display. If you would like more advice on what to do before buying a laptop, feel free to leave a message on our Facebook page at any time, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, remember to hit the like button on this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when a new video goes live at any time. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.